Size want to support the evictions that have been going on in the Mount Narok area. We Maasais want also to catch our land back. And Nairobi was a Maasai water catchment area. We are urging Amos Kimunya to evict everyone from Nairobi, and give it back to the Maasais. We will be in KICC. Can't even continue. The national park is another catchment area for our lions. Maasais must kill lions, so we are asking Amos Kimunya to evict the electrical fence around the Nairobi National Park so that we can mate with those lions. If tourists want to see lions, we will be happy to provide them with pictures of the lions we have killed. National Park, Ole Amos evict, Ole fence, Southern Bay, how Southern Bay, how is London? Elakayo, Alayo, Aya, Elakayo. Ola, okay, Eleyo, ha ha ha.